We truly work as a team here. We pool together a lot of resources and very smart people to deliver the best experience for our clients. Well, I've always been passionate about teaching, and teaching is a way to impact multiple people at one time. There's a lot of misinformation in the financial services industry, unscrupulous sales practices, conflicts of interest. And so I like to be able to empower people to make really smart financial decisions. Pure is a firm that truly values comprehensive financial planning and putting clients' interests first.
Favorite part of the job is helping people achieve what it is that they're looking to accomplish. Helping people define a clear path to get them from where they are to where they ultimately want to be is where I come into play. It's very easy to get caught in the weeds of your own individual situation and not be able to see the forest through the trees, so I help provide some clarity in exactly which actions need to be taken, not only today, but throughout the years to ultimately get to whatever those end goals are.
It really didn't start until college. I went into financial services, and then it really just kind of sparked my interest when I took an investments class. So the investments class really opened my eye to the world of capital markets. My favorite part about work is really when, I call it the shoulder shrug. It's when clients, they just, you can see their shoulders drop and there's a lot of tension and stress that just kind of alleviates and almost immediately goes away. That's the best part of my job.